Hi Joesin listeners, welcome back to Joesin's Translations YouTube channel. Oh my god, so happy that I meet you again in a new video. Alright, in this video we are going to study pronunciation again. Oh my god, please Joesin, why should we study pronunciation? We just listen to some music and then watch some movies. I thought that it was enough to study pronunciation. Yeah, it is okay. But for some other people, maybe they just feel inconfident when they speak. So we think that we meant to make this video. Oke, jadi kali ini kita akan belajar suara I, ya. Spesifiknya adalah diphthong I. Jadi suara I adalah, diphthong ini adalah gabungan dari dua vowel yang menjadi satu. Nah, karena ini diphthong I, maka gabungan vowel yang berakhiran dengan I. Oke, ada tiga. Yang pertama A, I, and OI dalam bahasa Inggris. Dan ketiga suara ini diucapkan dalam satu hentakan aliran nafas. Seperti apa penjelasannya satu demi satu? Langsung aja kita mulai bersama. Yang pertama yang akan kita pelajarin adalah diphthong A, yaitu suara yang mulainya dari suara E, lalu kemudian ke I, A. For example, came, table, day. Came, table, day. You got it? Ini adalah contohnya. Lalu gimana cara agar kita bisa tahu lebih banyak tentang ejaan yang dibaca suara ini? So, kita bisa temukan di beberapa tempat seperti halnya ini. Ada setidaknya 6. Yang pertama ada di suara A ini ada di ejaan A. Nah, A ini biasanya, huruf A ini dibaca dalam satu silabel yang bergabung dengan silent E. Oke. Age, came, plane, table. Lalu kemudian kita bisa juga temukan A and I. Rain, wait. And then A and Y. Day, play, say. And then the following E and Y, like gray. And then the following E and A, like break, break, great. And then the last one we have like E, I, G, and H, like eight, wait. Is it clear? Okay, then how then we can put these words in applications like simple sentence? Okay, we can find this out here. Focus on the words colored red. Number one, like they came a day later. They came a day later. And then the following, like it was a gray day in May. And then the third one, is this the way to the station? And then the last one, don't play blocks on the table. Oke, jadi suara A ini bisa membuat kita lebih flowing lagi tentang pendek dan panjangnya suara. Oke, ini mungkin belum memuaskan. Bagaimana kalau misal kita lihat suara A ini mempengaruhi suara yang lain dalam satu kalimat utuh dalam paragraf? Perhatikan pada kata-kata yang berwarna merah. Contohnya dengan suara pelan dan lambat. What are you waiting for? It's been at 8. And it's cloudy there. It could rain soon. Don't say you plan to see Mira. OMG, you've been expecting her for ages, but no answers. Take a break, buddy. Bagaimana kalau misal kita coba baca ini lebih cepat dan lebih casual? What are you waiting for? It's been at 8. And it's cloudy there. It could rain soon. Don't say you plan to see Mira. Oh my gosh, you've been expecting her for ages, but no answers. Take a break, buddy. Okay, you got it? Nah, ini adalah penjelasan dari suara A. Lalu kemudian yang ketiga, kita bisa temukan yakni suara OI. Yakni suara, I'm so sorry, like I. I di sini mulai dari A, lalu kemudian ke I. Okay? Contohnya adalah die, high, and Y. Okay, die, high, and Y. Ejaannya seperti apa saja? Perhatikan di sini kita bisa temukan ejaannya. Yang pertama ada di huruf I. Like, time, white. Jadi dalam satu silabel suara yang di belakangnya itu ada silent E. Jadi tidak dibaca. Lalu kemudian selanjutnya di I and E, like die. Meninggal. And then Y, like dry, July, and Y, usually at the end of the word. And then the following, like high, night, right, IGH. And then the last one, we have like U and Y, buy. Is it clear? Okay, it's not enough. What about like we put these words, okay, into a sentence? Simple sentence. For example, like, what would you buy? What would you buy? And then, I don't want to die soon. Why don't you try? No rain in July. It's such a beautiful night with you. Enak bukan? Oke, coba kalau misal kita masukkan ke dalam paragraf, bagaimana suara ini mempengaruhi secara keseluruhan. I saw her eyes like a dry night with a shy moon. I was questioning why I couldn't die and get bored there. July was the time when we spent the time together without clarity. So sweet, but sad. Okay, what if like we pronounce it like in high speed, like like higher speed? I saw her eyes like a dry night with a shy moon. I was questioning why I couldn't die and get bored there. July was the time when we spent the time together without clarity. Okay, dan itu adalah penjelasan dari diphthong E. Okay, and then the following here, yeah, in the diphthong E, we have oi, oi, oi. So from the sound O, and then E, like coin, toy, and then boy. Alright. Nah, bagaimana kemudian ejaannya bisa kita temukan? Kita bisa temukan di O and I, and then O and Y. Coin, point, voice, boy, joy, and toy. Actually, it is very simple. And then, what if like we put this word in a simple sentence, like your voice? Means like here, your voice is good. Your voice is good. That boy is looking at you. And then, have you got any coins? Nah, jadi suara diphthong ini bisa memanjang. You got it? And then the following, kalau misalnya kita temukan dalam paragraf utuh yang lebih panjang. This Game Boy has such bad speakers. The voice of the narrators doesn't echo out. As well, some games require virtual coins to open up the skins. It's not a toy. Enak bukan? Oke, jadi itu semua adalah diphthong E yang bisa Joesin jelaskan. Semoga ini bisa membantu. Apabila kalian punya pertanyaan, silakan aja drop down komen kalian di sini. Oke, see ya international and social people. Bye then. Dah.